students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 4th. Now all of you open your page number 128. Today we'll see main 15. Answer the following questions. It's a problem type of sums. First of all, see the first one. If one cake cost rupees 200. One cake. एक केक की प्राइस क्या है? कॉस्ट ऑफ वन केक इज ₹200. देन हाउ मच डज 3/4 पार्ट मीन्स 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ द केक कॉस्ट? सी 3/4 पार्ट जो है ये एक जो केक है उसमें से 3/4 पार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वन केक. ओके, ये जो वन केक प्राइस इज 200. देन फ्रॉम दैट केक 3/4 पार्ट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. देन 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ द केक इज हाउ मच? So write down here, cost of one cake is ₹200. Therefore, cost of 3/4 part, 3/4 part of a cake is equal to how much? Now see, 3/4 multiplied by 200. Cross multiplication, 3/4 multiplied by 200 upon this one. Okay. Now we know that in 4 ones are table, 4 5s are 20. Okay. And here 200 is there. So 4 50s are 200. So 4 cancel and 200 cancel. Here it's a 50. Now what's remaining here? 3 multiplied by 50. 3 multiplied by 50 upon 1. 3 multiplied by 50. Now 3 5s are 15. So 3 multiplied by 50. 150. 150 is what? ₹150. We have to find out the cost, no? So cost means amount you have to find out. So it's in a rupees. Now we have to write the answer. Cost of 3/4 part of the cake is ₹150. Now see the second one. First of all, read the question. If one watermelon cost ₹100. One watermelon, ये जो पूरा एक watermelon है, ओके, होल watermelon, उसकी प्राइस क्या है? ₹100. Cost of one watermelon is ₹100. Then how much does 1/4 part? ये जो one watermelon है उसमें से 1/4 part of the watermelon cost. ओके, तो ये वन पूरा वाटरमेलन है उसकी प्राइस 100 है और 1/4 पार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वाटरमेलन हम पीसेस करते हैं ना, वैसे ही आपको फाइंड आउट क्या करना है कि 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ दिस वाटरमेलन इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? ओके, सो राइट डाउन हियर, कॉस्ट ऑफ वन वाटरमेलन इज ₹100. देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ वाटरमेलन इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? Cross multiplication, 1/4 multiplied by 100 upon this 1. 1 cancel. Now see, 4 how much is 100? If we divide 100 by 4, then we get the 25. So 4 25s are 25, 4 times add करे तो 100 होते हैं. 25 plus 25 50, 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 25 it's 100. So 4 times 4 25s are 100. So your answer is a 25. This is in a rupees. हमने cost find की है तो it's a ₹25. Now we have to write down the answer. Cost of how much does 1/4 part? आपको find out करते. Cost of 1/4 part of the watermelon is ₹25. Now see the third one. First of all, read it. If 1 dozen mango cost ₹120. See, 1 dozen mango cost ₹120. 1 dozen में कितने आते हैं? 12 pieces. 1 dozen is equal to, यहाँ पे मैंगो की बात की है. They are talking about mangoes. So 1 dozen is equal to 12 mangoes. Okay. And price of 1 dozen mango, cost of 1 dozen mango is rupees 120. Then how much does half dozen mango cost? See, half dozen means dozen का आधा, half. So 1 dozen में 12 mangoes come. Then half dozen is equal to 6 mangoes. So here you have to write down cost of 12 mangoes is rupees 120. 1 dozen means 12 mangoes. So cost of 12 mango is rupees 120. And you have to find out half dozen. So cost of 6 mangoes is equal to how much? Cross multiplication. 6 multiplied by 120 upon 12. Now see here 120 and here it's a 12. 12 how much are 120? So 12 tens are 120. Now what's remaining here? 6 multiplied by 10. 6 multiplied by 10. 6 tens are 60. It's in a rupees. Now in the answer you have to write down cost of half dozen mango is a rupees 60. Now see on the next page, page number 129. See the fourth one. How much part does 1/4, 1/4 part of a 2 liters? 2 liters में से 1/4 part कितना होता है? How much does the 1/4 part of 2 liters of water mean? 2 liter में से 1/4 part कितना होता है वो आपको find out करना है. So 1/4 part of 2 liters is equal to 1/4 multiplied by 2. Directly you have to do 1/4 multiplied by 2. Now see 2 2s are 4. So cut 2 and here it's a 4, here it's a come. 2 2s are 4. Now 1/2 it's remaining. 1/2. Now your answer is 1/4 part of 2 liters of water means half liter. यहाँ पे पूछा है कि how much part does 1/4 part of 2 liters of water mean? So this much you have to write down. 1/4 part of 2 liters mean 2 liters of water means half liter. Now see fifth one. How much part does 3/4 3/4 part of 4 liter means? यहाँ पे आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि 3/4 part of 4 liters of milk you have to find out. So directly write down 3/4 part of 4 liter is equal to 3/4 multiplied by 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 cancel. 3/1, so it's considered as a 3. 3 what? 3 liters. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको liters दिया तो 3 liters. Now you have to write down in the answer 3/4 part of 4 liters of milk mean 3 liters. Now see the sixth one. See very carefully. There are 44 students in a classroom. एक क्लासरूम में क्लासरूम मीन्स 1 क्लासरूम में 44 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. कितने स्टूडेंट्स है क्लासरूम में? 44 स्टूडेंट्स. आउट ऑफ देम 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर बॉयज. क्या पूछा है? क्या आंसर क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी दिया है कि 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ 44 स्टूडेंट्स में 44 स्टूडेंट्स में से 3/4 पार्ट जो है वो की कौन है? बॉयज. देन हाउ मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर इन द क्लासरूम? सी हियर इट्स गिवन दैट 3/4 पार्ट वो बॉयज है 44 में से. सो प्रॉपर नंबर इज नॉट देयर. Okay, proper number is not given. It's given that 3/4 part of the students are boys. So first of all what you have to do, ये जो 3/4 part जो है वो आपको proper number में आंसर लेना है. कोई okay. So 3/4 part of 44 students is equal to 3/4 multiplied by 44. Okay. So 4 11s are 44. So what's remaining here? 3 multiplied by 11. 3 multiplied by 11. 3 11s are 33. Okay. 33. ये जो 3/4 पार्ट उसका मीनिंग होता है कि 33 बॉयज आर देयर. 44 में से कितने बॉयज है? 33 बॉयज. ये 3/4 का मीनिंग होता है कि 33 बॉयज है. Now see in this some first part we have done that 3/4 का मीनिंग हमने फाइंड आउट किया कि 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ 44 स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम 44 स्टूडेंट्स मीन्स ये 33 बॉयज है. ओके 3/4 का मीनिंग होता है 33 बॉयज. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट गर्ल्स, रिमेनिंग गर्ल्स. नाउ सी, नाउ नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इज इक्वल टू 44 स्टूडेंट्स है minus this 33 boys. 44 minus 33, it's 11 girls. So your answer is there are 11 girls in the classroom. It's very easy. Now see the seventh one. First of all, read the question. There are 84 marbles in a one box. एक box है, one box is there. In that 84 marbles are there. Out of that 1/4 part of the marbles are red. उसमें से 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ मार्बल जो है वो रेड कलर की है. देन हाउ मेनी रेड मार्बल्स आर देयर इन द वन बॉक्स, इन द बॉक्स. नाउ सी 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ 84 मार्बल्स. ये जो 1/4 पार्ट किसमें से, 84 मार्बल्स में से. सो 1/4 पार्ट ऑफ 84 मार्बल्स इज इक्वल टू 1/4 multiply by 84. If we divide 84 by 4, then what's the answer? See, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. So 4 21s are 84. So 21 multiply by 1 is equal to 21. 21 क्या है? How many red marbles? So 21 वो जो है marbles है. Answer is 21 red marbles are there in the box. Now see the 8th one. Bridges wants to buy a pencil of ₹2. ब्रिजेस को क्या बाय करना है कि पेंसिल, उसकी प्राइस के ₹2 की पेंसिल है. He gives a ₹1 coin. ₹1 coin he have given. 1 half rupee coin. Half means 50 paise and 1 quarter rupee coin to the shopkeeper. See, quarter, half वो क्या है? Let's see it. Is this amount enough for Bridges to buy the pencil? वो जो amount की total है वो enough है, उसके पास है, ₹2 होते हैं, वो आपको find out करना है. First of all, see 1 half rupee coin. 1 half rupee coin means 1 half rupee coin means 1 रुपी में से हाफ, तो इट्स 50 पैसे. 50 पैसे. 1 क्वार्टर रुपी कॉइन. 1 क्वार्टर मीन्स 1/4. 1/4 1 रुपी में से 1/4 पार्ट जो है वो 25 पैसे होते हैं. ओके, सो इट्स 25 पैसे. नाउ टोटल अमाउंट, उसके पास जो टोटल अमाउंट वो अमाउंट है वो आपको टोटल अमाउंट करना है. ओके, ₹1 plus 1 half rupee means 0.50 paise plus 1 quarter rupee means 0.25 paise. So is equal to ₹1 plus 0.50 paise plus 0.25 paise. Now here rough work is given. See 1 rupee, it's a 1 rupee. Okay. Now plus 0.50 rupees. Here it's nothing, so 0 प्लस 0.25 पैसे. ये जो है वो रुपीज में, ये जो है पैसे में. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन लाइक दिस. नाउ सी 0 plus 0 plus 5, it's a 5. Here it's a पैसे. 0 plus 5 plus 2, it's a 7. And here it's a point. And here 1 plus 0 plus 0, it's a 1. So 1 rupee 75 paise. What's the amount? 1 rupee 75 paise. Is it more than ₹2? Enough rupees he have? No. ये तो 1.75 पैसे जो है वो 1 रुपीज 75 पैसे जो वो 2 रुपीज से कम है. इट्स लेस. 1 rupee 75 paise. This way you have to write down and see what they asked in the question. Is this amount enough for Bridges to buy the pencil? ये उसके पास enough amount है कि वो 2 रुपीज की पेंसिल बाय कर सके. No, 1.75 paise is less than ₹2. So in the answer you have to write down ₹1.75 amount is not enough Not enough, huh? Not enough for Bridges to buy the pencil. Now turn your page, page number 130. See the ninth question. Mihir did half of his homework on Monday and 1/4 homework on Tuesday. How much part of the total homework did he do in the 2 days? See, first of all, what you have to do? Half, okay? Half homework. Half homework किया ना तो half homework is equal to 1/2. 1/4 homework is equal to 1/4. 1/4 का मीनिंग क्या होता है? 1/4 and half का मीनिंग 1/2. Now total homework. How much part of the total homework पूछा है? So total homework is equal to 1/2 plus 1/4. Now here it's LCM we have to do. Okay. So how LCM कैसे करते हैं? See. What you have to do? 2 4s जो नीचे की जी टर्म है डिनोमिनेटर. ओके. 2 4s उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 2 4s 8. So write down in the denominator part. Now 8 है. So 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. Okay. This way you have to write down in the bracket. And 4 how much are 8? 4 2s are 8. Now this goes up in the multiplication form. 4 1s are 4. So 4 here. And 2 1s are 2. So plus sign comes plus 2 1s are 2. So 2. Again I will explaining you. 1/2 plus 1/4. Here we have to do LCM. Okay. So first of all, this denominator term we have to multiply. 2 4s are 8. So 8 comes in the denominator. Now see, this term you have to take 2 how much are 8. So 2 4s are 8. 4 you have to write down in the bracket. And here 4 how much are 8. 4 2s are 8. आपको ब्रैकेट में 2 लिखना है. Then what you have to do? उसके बाद 4 1s are 4. Okay. So 4 plus sign. So plus 2 1s are 2. So 2. Now 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 6 upon 8. Now see ये 6 and 8 है वो 2 1s के टेबल में दोनों आएंगे. ओके. सो 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now what's remaining here? 3/4. 3/4 part. So your answer is 3/4 part of the total homework he had done in 2 days. Now see 10th one. In a family, 3/4 part of the rice was used up out of 24 kg rice in a 1 week. 1 week में 24 kg rice में से 3/4 part जो वो यूज हो गए. Then how many kg rice is left over? Now it means उसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि 3/4 part of 24 kg. 3/4 part of 24 kg is equal to 3/4 multiplied by 24. 4 how much are 24? 4 6 are 24. Now here it's remaining 3 multiplied by 6. 3 multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18. 18 what? It's a kg. Okay. So 3/4 part जो है वो 18 kg. Okay. So 3/4 part यूज हो गए 24 kg में से. Now what you have to find out? How many kg rice is left over? So leftover rice is equal to ये जो total rice है 24 kg minus used rice. See this 18 kg. 34th part means 18 kg राइस वो यूज हो गए. सो 24 kg minus 18 kg is equal to 6 kg. Answer is 6 kg rice is left. Now see the 11th one. How many rupees does 1/4 part of rupees 440 mean? 440 में से 1/4 part कितने होते हैं? Okay, that you have to find out. 1/4 part of rupees 440 means 1/4 multiply by 440. Now see, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 zeros are 0. If we do division, then we get the answer 110. What we have to divide? 440 divided by 4. Then we get the answer 110. Okay, 110 multiplied by 1. So it's a 110 multiplied by 1. It's a rupees 110. आपको rupees में find out करना है. So rupees 110. So what's your answer? 1/4 part of rupees 440 means rupees 110. Now in the next video we will continue with this main 16. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.